Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a versatile piece of beauty and wellness equipment, the Master Massage 28-inch Argo Portable Massage Table in cream with walnut legs. Whether you're a massage therapist, a lash artist, a tattoo professional, or someone who loves tabletop exercise, this spa bed claims to be a lightweight, sturdy, and portable solution for your workspace needs. Let's see how it holds up in real life. Right off the bat, this massage table measures 28 inches wide by 84 inches long, including the headrest. It features PU upholstery in a sleek cream color, paired with a beautiful walnut-stained hardwood frame. The PU material is oil and water resistant, which is a huge plus for easy cleaning in busy salon or spa environments. The table also promises a strong working weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, which is pretty solid for a portable setup. At just 30 pounds, it's designed with portability in mind, and it folds up nicely into a compact form for transport. Plus, the adjustable height feature offers a range from 23 to 33 inches, thanks to the quick-set knobs, which is great for customizing comfort and ergonomics during treatments. Now, having spent several weeks putting this table through its paces in different settings, from home spa treatments to lash extension sessions, and even some gentle tabletop exercises, I can say that it really balances comfort and function well. The cushioning stands out immediately. With 1.5 inches of multi-layer small cell foam that's denser than typical foam, it offers a plush but supportive surface that your clients or yourself will appreciate during longer sessions. I personally found the cushioning comfortable for massages and beauty treatments alike, without feeling too firm or too soft. The build quality feels premium. The hardwood legs have that warm walnut finish with a high gloss sheen and Duraseal protection, which not only looks elegant, but should hold up against scratches and moisture over time. The folding mechanism is smooth and secure, making setup and takedown a breeze, a crucial factor if you're moving between clients or locations. The included accessories, like the adjustable face cradle and standard face cushion, add to the overall convenience, and the carrying case really helps for portability. That said, there are a couple of practical considerations. The 28-inch width is fairly standard for massage tables, but might feel a bit narrow if you're working with larger clients or need extra space for more extensive treatments. Also, while the table is lightweight for its class, carrying it around might still be a bit challenging for some, especially without assistance, given the weight and dimensions when folded. The cream upholstery, while elegant, may show stains more easily than darker colors, so regular cleaning is essential to maintain its fresh look. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. On the value front, this massage table positions itself in the mid to higher price range for portable tables. And in my opinion, the quality of materials, craftsmanship, and included accessories justify the investment, especially for professionals who need reliable equipment on the go. If you're a casual user or just starting out, there are cheaper alternatives available, but they may compromise on cushioning or build durability, which could affect client comfort and longevity. Compared to similar models, the Argo stands out with its elegant finish and thoughtful features like height adjustability and a robust weight capacity. In terms of durability, the sturdy hardwood legs and protective seal make this table a long-term companion. The PU upholstery should resist typical salon spills and oils without much fuss. Although I haven't tested it for years, the materials and construction suggest good longevity when properly cared for. I haven't had any direct experience with the brand's customer support, but Master Massage is generally well regarded in the professional wellness community for responsive service, which adds peace of mind. To wrap things up, the Master Massage 28-inch Argo Portable Massage Table blends style, comfort, and portability in a way that meets the demands of professionals and serious beauty enthusiasts. Its elegant appearance, adjustable height, and supportive cushioning make it a solid choice for spa, beauty, or wellness treatments. If you need a dependable, versatile table that travels well and looks great, this one should be on your shortlist. However, if you're budget conscious or need a wider surface, you might want to explore other options. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic today. If you've already tried the Argo Portable Massage Table or something similar, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing what works for you. You'll find a link to purchase the table in the description box or comments section. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.